With the opening keynote at Computex, AMD continued the trend of focusing on artificial intelligence.
AI is our #1 priority, and we're at the beginning of an incredibly exciting time for the industry as AI transforms virtually every business, improves our quality of life, and reshapes every part of the computing market.
But that's not all they talked about. AMD CEO Dr. Lisa Su still managed to wow the crowd with some really exciting hardware news.
Now, today, we're going to talk about a lot of new technologies and products, including our brand new Zen 5 core, which is the highest performance and most energy-efficient core we've ever built, and our next-generation XDNA 2 NPU core that enables leadership performance and capabilities for AI PCs. And we're also going to be joined by a number of our partners as we launch our new Ryzen notebook and desktop processors and preview our data center CPU and GPU portfolio for this exciting AI world. Our new Ryzen 9000 CPUs are the world's fastest consumer PC processors, bringing our new Zen 5 core to the AM5 platform with support for the latest I/O and memory technologies, including PCIe 5 and DDR5. Zen 5 is actually the next big step in high-performance CPUs. Now, let me show you the top-of-the-line Ryzen 9 9950X for the very first time. We have 16 Zen 5 cores, 32 threads, up to 5.67 gigahertz boost, a large 80 megabyte cache at 170 watt TDP. This is the fastest consumer CPU in the world. In addition to the top-of-the-stack Ryzen 9950X, we're also announcing the 12, 8, and 6-core versions that will bring the leadership performance of Zen 5 to mainstream price points, and all of these go on sale in July.
And it wouldn't be Computex if Dr. Su didn't bring it back to AI.
AI PCs enable many new experiences that were simply not possible before. These are things like real-time translations that will allow us to collaborate in new ways, things like generative AI capabilities that accelerate content creation, and also we each want our own customized digital assistant that really will help us decide what we need to do and what we should do next. So to enable all of this, we actually need much, much better AI hardware. And that's why we're so excited to announce today our 3rd-gen Ryzen AI processors. Our new Ryzen AI series actually is a significant increase in compute and AI performance and sets the bar for what a Copilot PC should do. Thank you, Drew. Here we go. This is Strix. Strix is our next-generation processor for ultra-thin and premium notebooks, and it combines our new Zen 5 CPU, faster RDNA 3.5 graphics, and the new XDNA 2 NPU. The flagship Ryzen 9 HX370 has 12 Zen 5 cores, 24 threads, 36 megabytes of cache, the industry's most integrated NPU, and our latest RDNA graphics. Strix is simply the best mobile CPU. And if you look at the performance of Strix compared to other chips in the market, and there are a lot of chips that are coming out with new NPUs, XDNA delivers the highest performance, leadership 50 tops of Int 8 AI performance. 3rd-gen Ryzen AI will deliver the best NPU-powered experiences in a Copilot Plus PC.
And it looks like the already stunning EPYC will just continue to impress.
Only AMD has the full portfolio of high-performance CPUs and GPUs to address all of these workloads. From our EPYC processors that deliver leadership performance on general-purpose and mixed inferencing AI workloads, to our industry-leading Instinct GPUs that are built for accelerating AI applications at scale. EPYC is actually the processor of choice for cloud computing, powering internal workloads for all of the largest hyperscalers and more than 900 public instances from all the major cloud providers. Every day, billions of people around the world use cloud services powered by EPYC. That includes Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Netflix, WeChat, WhatsApp, and many, many more. All of that is on EPYC. Now, we launched EPYC in 2017, And with every generation, more and more customers have adopted EPYC because of our leading performance, our leading energy efficiency, and our leading total cost of ownership. And I'm very proud to say that we're at 33% share now and growing. Now, when you look at today's data centers, most data centers are actually powered by processors that are more than 5 years old. And when you look at the virtualization performance of our latest generation server CPUs, the new technology is so much better that EPYC delivers 5 times more performance compared to those legacy processors. And even comparing to the best processors today from the competition, our performance is 1.5 times faster. Many enterprises today are actually looking to modernize their general-purpose computing infrastructure and add new AI capabilities. By refreshing their data centers with 4th-gen EPYC, you can really accomplish this. You can actually replace 5 legacy servers with a single server that reduces rack space by 80% and consumes 65% less energy. Now, many enterprise customers are also wanting to run a combination of general purpose and AI workloads without adding GPUs. And EPYC is, again, the best option for that. Looking at EPYC, we are 1.7 times faster when running the industry standard TPX AI benchmark that measures end-to-end AI pipeline across different use cases and algorithms. 4th-gen EPYC is clearly the industry's best server CPU, but we're always pushing the envelope to deliver more performance. So I have something to show you today. It's actually the preview of our upcoming 5th-gen EPYC processor, codenamed Turin. So please take a look at Turin for the very first time. Turin features 192 cores and 384 threads and has 13 different chiplets built in 3 and 6 nanometer process technology. There's a lot of technology on Turin. Turin will extend EPYC's leadership in general purpose and high performance computing workloads.
And the hits didn't stop there. Dr. Su called her company's shot and laid out the next few years of advancements from AMD.
The customer response to MI300 has been overwhelmingly positive, and it's just so clear that the demand for AI is just accelerating so much going forward. We're really just at the beginning of a decade-long megacycle for AI. And to address this incredible demand, I have a very exciting roadmap to show you. We launched MI300X last year with leadership inference performance, memory size, and compute capabilities. And we have now expanded our roadmap so it's on an annual cadence. That means a new product family every year. Later this year, we plan to launch MI325X with faster and more memory, followed by our MI350 series in 2025 that will use our new CDNA 4 architecture. And both the MI325 and 350 series will leverage the same industry standard universal baseboard OCP server design used by MI300. And what that means is that our customers can very quickly adopt this new technology. And then in 2026, we'll deliver another brand new architecture with CDNA Next in the MI400 series. This is an incredible time to be in the technology industry. It's an incredible pace of innovation. And I couldn't be more excited about all of the work that we're going to do together in high performance and AI computing as an industry. So a very, very special thank you to all of our partners who joined us today, Microsoft, HP, Asus, Lenovo, and Stability.ai. And especially thank you for all of our partners here in Taiwan and around the world. Thank you for being such a great audience, and have a great Computex 2024.
Thanks for watching. Check back into PCMag.com for more Computex coverage.